How to sign into Netflix with QR code. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in this video we will see how we can sign in into Netflix with QR code. So without any further delay, let's get started. Netflix have introduced the option to sign in using a QR code on the devices like smart TVs, gaming consoles, or any other streaming devices, and here's how you can do it. First of all, you have to launch the Netflix on the device that you want to sign in, for example, smart TV or any streaming devices. After that, on the Netflix sign-in screen, you have to select the option to sign in using a QR code on your TV. A QR code will appear on the screen. Now, all you have to do is open up the camera application on your smartphone or your mobile device and point it at the QR code displayed on the TV device or screen. After that, a notification or link should pop up in your mobile interface. You have to tap on it. If your camera does not work on your mobile device, you can use a QR code reader application. Once you tap on the link on your mobile device, that will redirect you to Netflix website or app on your phone. Log in with your Netflix email and password if you haven't already signed in. Once you're logged in on your phone, you have to confirm the connection with the device by selecting Sign In or any similar option. Now, the device will automatically sign into your Netflix account. Here, ensure your smartphone and the device are connected to internet, and if the QR method is not available or doesn't work, you can still sign in manually by entering your email and password. So that's the way to sign in to Netflix with QR code, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.